So this genu, and in front of this anterior horn, and here there is a genu is there, and in these fibers, and they are covering. Genu is present in the anterior horn of the lateral ventricle. So, and here there is a, and these fibers they are moving. And these fibers they are moving. Suppose this is the cerebral hemisphere, and here there is a this section at the level of the corpus callosum. So here this one is a genu part, and here, and these fibers they move like this. They move like this. They connect the olfactory of the frontal lobe, and this bundle of fibers they are called by their looks like a fork, so it is called by the fornix, forceps minor. It is called by the forceps minor. So the genu part here, and it is moving towards the anterior side. And they are moving towards the anterior side, and they connect the and this anterior part of the in the anterior lobe of the cerebral hemisphere, and they are looks like a forks, and they are called by the forceps minor. And the fibers of the body, these are the fibers of the body, and here there is a splenium part. This is the section at the level of the corpus callosum, body of the corpus callosum. So here these fibers are moving towards the anterior side. They are diverting like this. They are spreading like the anterior side. So it is called by the forceps minor. And these fibers they are moving. They are moving like this through the body. And they are connecting the parietal lobe, some part of the temporal lobe. They are moving from this one, the body. So some fibers are from the splenium. These fibers moving like this, diverting towards they are moving towards the posterior side. Yeah, they are moving towards the posterior side, and these fibers are called by the forceps major. The forceps minor, this one is a forceps major, and then these fibers are moving like this. The fibers, and here. Like this. Forceps minor, these fibers are moving from the genu towards the anterior side, that is called by the forceps minor, and it connects the frontal lobe of the cerebral hemisphere. The body connects the frontal posterior part of the frontal, and the parietal and as well as temporal, and this splenium part it connects the occipital lobe of the cerebral hemisphere. Mainly these fibers are moving. So these fibers are diverting towards the posterior side. So they are called by the bundle of the fibers. They are called by the forceps major. So here happens in this region, and there is a intersect. This one is called by the. This is called by the internal capsule. These fibers, they are intersecting with the corona radiata. Intersecting means, you see, the horizontal fibers, they are moving like this. Horizontal means these are the corpus callosal fibers which are coming from the body. They are moving towards the horizontal. So this corona radiata fibers, and they are moving superior inferior, mean the inferior superiorly. They are coming like this, mean they are intersecting the fibers which are coming from the body. And some fibers, they are not intersecting like here, mean the posterior fibers of the body and the anterior fibers of the splenium, they are not intersecting. Mean the body is situated here. Mean what happens, and this one, the fibers, they are moving towards the lateral side. This is the body of the corpus callosum, and here there is a splenium part. So here what happens, and these fibers in the posterior fibers of the body of the corpus callosum and the splenium part of the corpus callosum, they move like this. So here what happens, they forms this is the lateral ventricle. They forms the roof of the lateral ventricle, and they forms the roof of the lateral ventricle means the body is here and they are moving like this. Mean it is the roof of the lateral ventricle is formed by the fibers which are arising from the body of the corpus callosum, and they forms a lateral wall of the lateral ventricle. Mean they forms a roof of the lateral ventricle, and the lateral wall of the lateral ventricle is formed by these fibers here. So, and this is concerned about the lateral ventricle. Stop.